In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book paid meetings with Calendly and Stripe in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open your web browser and head over to calendly.com. This is where you can easily manage your calendar and schedule meetings with participants without all the back and forth emails. Once you're on the home page, look for the login button at the top right corner and give it a click. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your registered email and hit continue. Shortly after, you'll need to enter your password and click continue again to access your dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. If you're new to Calendly, you might need to set up an account first, but since we're focusing on paid meetings, we'll assume you're already set up. Now that you're on Calendly's main page, navigate your way to the integrations and apps by clicking on it. This is crucial because it's where we'll connect your account with Stripe. Once you're in the integrations section, you'll see a host of options. Look for Stripe and click on it. Stripe is an excellent payment platform that easily integrates with Calendly, and today we're setting it up for seamless transactions. Click on Connect with Stripe to get started. You'll be directed to follow a series of prompts to log into your Stripe account. If it's your first time setting it up, you'll need to provide some basic information about your business, but if you're a returning user, it should be even easier. Just log in and authorize the integration. After successfully linking your Stripe account, let's head back to Calendly by clicking on Event Types. This is where you can decide which events you want to offer for a fee. Select an event you'd like to make paid and click on More options. Within these options, you'll find the Payment section. Here you'll want to select Get Paid by Stripe, allowing you to collect payments before or after meetings occur as per your preference. Then simply enter the amount you wish to charge for your event. Make sure to set a reasonable price that reflects the value you're offering. Finally, click on Save Changes to secure your options, and that's it. In just a few steps, you've successfully integrated Stripe with Calendly, making it possible to book your meetings with a payment requirement attached. This setup not only ensures you're compensated for your time, but it also streamlines the booking process, making it easier for you and your clients. Thanks for tuning in, and happy scheduling.